Creit have just released version 2 of their Stellar Wallet Kit. This is the most popular SDK for integrating Stellar wallets into front-end applications. Let's dive in and take a look. So we've got a standard JSR library you can install using this command line function here. And then the docs mention an easy way to get started where we're importing the libraries. I actually built on this a little bit and I've put together some boilerplate code both for React and vanilla.js. So let's go into React first and we can take a look. So here you can see the standard code from this part, and then we're going to initialize the Stellar Wallets Kit function. Then within our app, we've got this use effect, which has two functions. It creates a button, which is the connection button. That's the main kind of component of this. And also we've got this Stellar Wallets Kit, which is like an event listener or a subscribing to events coming back from that wallet connection. And we're going to use this to set the wallet address within a div once someone's connected. We've also got this send transaction function. We'll come back to that in a sec. Let's go into the main code, the application, and we've got a wallet address, the button wrapper. This is whereabouts our button's going to be placed within the application, and then a send test transaction button and an app explorer link once the transaction has gone through. So to send transactions, everything is pretty much the same. We're setting up the transaction with the Stellar SDK, the JavaScript SDK for Stellar. We're going to set the test network to testnet. We're going to add an operation. For this, it's just a standard 1XLM transfer on testnet. And then we're going to sign this using the Stellar Wallet Kit. So this is an asynchronous function. We're going to call Stellar Wallets Kit.sign transaction. We're going to convert a transaction to XDR before we sign it, pass in the network and the address that we're going to sign it from. And when that comes back, we can send it across to the network as usual. Once that goes through, we'll get a response, which includes a hash, and we can pass it out to a block explorer link. The vanilla JavaScript version is very similar. There's instructions on how to build a local bundle yourself, which you're probably going to want to do, or there's a remote link here, which you can just include for testing. So if we go into vanilla HTML, we can go into index.html. So in this, we are importing the Stellar SDK and the Stellar Kit bundle. These are from JS Deliver. This is going to my GitHub. This is going to the NPM repository. And then the rest of the code is very similar. We're just kind of using it in a standard index.html file rather than a React framework. Let's dive in and take a look at the live demo. So we can host this on GitHub. It's a static site. Open up the console here as well so you can see any warnings that are coming through. I've already connected, so let me just disconnect this address, refresh the page, and then I'm going to connect up my wallet. I'm going to connect Freighter here. And I've got my address in here, and my address has been loaded into that div here. I'm going to go ahead and send a test transaction. So Freighter needs to be connected to testnet to do this, and we're going to send 0.00001 XLM. Transaction sent successfully, and that should print out a Stellar Expert Explorer link, which we can go into, and we can see that 1 lumen has been sent to this address. This is a very simple way to integrate Stellar functionality into your decentralized applications. And where its real power is, if we connect wallet again, you can see the number of wallets it actually supports. I hope you found this code that I've put together useful. There's a more in-depth tutorial and full links to the GitHub repository in the description. Thank you for watching.